Para sa ating lokal na balita, isang malakas na lindol ang yumanig sa bahagi ng Negros Occidental kaninang madaling araw. Ayon sa Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology of PHIVOLCS, umabot sa magnitude 5.6 ang lindol na naramdaman bandang alas 3 ng umaga. Naitala rin ang ilang aftershocks, ngunit wala namang napaulat na matinding pinsala o nasawi. Agad naman nagsagawa ng inspeksyon ang mga lokal na otoridad upang matiyak ang kaligtasan ng mga gusali at establishmento. Ayon sa mga residente, ramdam ang malakas na pag-inig ngunit nanatiling kalmado ang mga tao dahil sa mabilis na impormasyon mula sa mga lokal na opisyal.
In national news, the Philippines and Canada have signed a new defense agreement to strengthen military cooperation. The deal includes joint training, intelligence sharing, and disaster response efforts. It aims to promote peace and security across the Indo-Pacific region, especially amid rising tensions in the West Philippine Sea.
Change is one of the biggest challenges the world faces today. To address these two major nations, the United States and China have agreed to work together to protect the environment. On November 2, 2025, the United States and China announced a new climate cooperation deal. It focuses on reducing methane emissions, promoting renewable energy, and cutting down coal use. Both countries also plan to invest more in clean energy research and share carbon capture technology. This agreement supports the global goal of keeping the global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius, as stated in the Paris Agreement. Many world leaders praised the move as a positive step for the planet. The partnership between the United States and China shows that global cooperation is essential to fight climate change and ensure a better future for everyone.
At iyan ang mga balitang dapat niyong malaman ngayong araw. Ako si Lea Jean de la Cruz.
At ako si Charity Mabera. Sama-sama nating i-share, snap at i-spread ang mga kwento ng mundo dito lang sa Zepeto Chronicles. Snap, share, news everywhere.